to another video. We're going to do some rice and peas with Jerusalem peas. Some people call it cold peas. Whatever you call it in your country, we're going to cook it today with some rice, right? And some fried mushroom on the side. However, I'm going to do a little sauce for the mushroom, orange sauce, to make it more flavorful and nice. On the side of it though, we're going to have some coleslaw with the purple cabbage, something different, something fun, like a nice way you can incorporate the purple cabbage in a coleslaw. Yes. Stick around, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. I've been soaking my peas overnight in 2 cups of water. Growing up, this used to be my favorite peas. Look how small they are. And I never used to like the red peas growing up. It's too big. I never like it, but this one can always catch me with that one. Some salt. We're going to cook that before we add in the seasonings, right? Let me show you how the peas look, guys. So they're fully cooked now. We're going to go in with some Scotch bonnet pepper because we want those flavors to flavor up the pot, guys. Here I have thyme, scallion, and rosemary, garlic, and ginger. As well as some coconut milk. So the Scotch bonnet pepper, you see, bossy, smells so good. Now what you can do, guys, is to go ahead and taste it. If it need any more flavor, you can add a little bit more salt. Mine is good. So I want to give this about 8 minutes or so, and then let it cook down for a little, and then we add in our rice. Alright, guys, I've added my rice and I've washed my rice before adding it to the pot. And I add in as well 2 bay leaf. You want to just, stir things up a little and return the cover. Some nice cabbage here, and I think the purple onion works so well with the purple cabbage. And the carrot, you want to grate it. Going in with some mayonnaise. This is just to build up our nice little mayonnaise sauce for the mayonnaise dressing for the vegetables. A little black pepper. If you have white pepper, you can use it also. And some salt. Keeping it very simple, right? I don't like to sprinkle the salt directly on my vegetables because I find that it pulls too much water. So I like to just make the dressing first, and then you can add in your vegetables. This is us, guys. You're gonna put it so all the flavors can break down in the vegetables. You can just rest it aside, put it in the fridge, whichever works for you. You can do it, all right? Here I have all-purpose flour. We're going to divide it in two, as you can see here, and we're going to make a wet batter and a dry one, right? So we're going to add some salt, all-purpose seasoning. If you have complete blend, you can use it as well. Garlic powder. If you have Cajun seasoning, you can use it as well. Add in some paprika. In this, I'm going to add some water. You want to create like a pancake consistency. To fry our mushrooms, guys, we're going to dip it in the wet batter. Can shake it off a little, and then in the dry batter. And you want to repeat this step for all of them. Dip it in the wet batter. Then in the dry. Ensure that your oil is really hot. Want to do a few of them first before I properly show you guys what to do. So dip it in the wet one, and you want to not get it too thick on it, right? And you want to watch them because my oil here is really hot. So if you're going to do it, make sure you keep an eye on it, right? And you want to make sure, guys, you don't overcrowd your pot. You see, when you don't overcrowd your pot, guys, everything fry evenly and the oil don't absorb too much in whatever we're doing, right? So you want to just fry these off nice and golden brown. This is our last batch, guys, and you want to make sure when you take it out, you drain it on paper towel. Working on the sauce in a little while, and we're going to use some of the same oil. Since as this oil has enough flavor, we're going to work with some of it, all right? Our onions. Garlic, and ginger. Add in our orange juice, and that's 1 cup. I am also going to add in just a little bit of the paprika just to give it some more color. To this, we're going to add some sugar. If you have any other sweetener, please feel free to go ahead and use it. Adding in some orange zest as well. Remember, the orange zest give it additional flavor. Just a little of the zest. Alright guys, we're going to close off now in fine style. We have here mac and cheese. Now if you want to see how I bake my mac and cheese, refer to my description box. You will see full detail. I have here as well some nice rice and peas, guys. Oh my gosh, it's my favorite peas, Jerusalem peas. And here I have the purple cabbage slaw with some fried mushroom with orange sauce. Now let me show you guys what's going on here. So this is a perfect way you can display your Christmas or holiday dinner. Beautiful dinner, guys, beautiful. All my flavors, very nice. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Until next time, happy holidays.